Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can set mobile hotspot and tethering in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to connections. Then go to mobile hotspot and tethering and turn on the button against mobile hotspot. Now click over mobile hotspot. You will see different settings here. First is network name. So this is the hotspot name. By default it is as Galaxy A14 5G DC1D. You can also change this name to your desired name. For that click on configure and then you can able to edit it. Yes, here you can edit. Here I just write my Galaxy A14. As per your wish you can rename. Then next password. Here by default this password is applied. If you want to choose your own password, click it and delete the already available password and set your own password with minimum of 8 characters. For simple connection I just type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then in band you can select from the available options 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz preferred. By default it is in 2.4 gigahertz. I would like to use it. Click on security and here if you choose open then no password is set. If you choose WPA to personal then you can set your password. Okay, so if you want to use no password no security then you can just turn off security and no password is required for connecting your mobile hotspot to other device. And finally click on save. Okay, hotspot is set now. Now you go to connect this hotspot to other device. So here I bring another device. This is Vivo V21e. In this device you should turn on Wi-Fi and click on the signal you received from Galaxy A14. It will be received. Yes, this is the name of the hotspot and click over the name of the hotspot and supply the password that you set in Galaxy A14. So here what I set you remember, just for easy connection I just set 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That is the password for that. Okay, whatever you password you set you go to supply the same password here and click on connect. And yes, it will be connected. Just wait. Yes, it is connected. And to access the internet from this device, yes, you can do it because it is in connection. And I check, yes, it's working. So in this way you can easily connect other devices to your device through mobile hotspot. This is the settings of mobile hotspot and making connection with other devices. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.